Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Introduction. As we know, the Noorani Qaida is a book that regularly helps you understand the Arabic language and the Holy Quran. This book is vital in learning Arabic letters, characters, verses, words, and principles. In short, you cannot read the Holy Quran without this book. We have designed this Noorani Qaida book for you. In this book, we have provided complete guidance for you so that you can learn and read the Holy Quran as well. This book describes the complete principles of Arabic, which will be very helpful in reading the Holy Quran in Arabic. Lesson number 1. The alphabets. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Instructions. In this lesson, you will learn the identity of Arabic letters. After this lesson, you will be able to identify each letter of Arabic easily. This is the important base of learning Arabic. Alif, 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 Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Sa, Sa, Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, Za, Za, Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin, Swad, Swad, Dad, Dad, Ta, Ta, Za, Za, A'in, A'in, Ghain, Ghain, Fa, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Nun, Nun, Waw, Waw, Ha, Ha, Hamza, Hamza, Ya, 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 ah.